Tired of waiting to unlock your favorite brawler? Multiple Brawl Stars accounts might be the answer, but before you dive in, let's explore how to do it the right way. First, ensure you have a Supercell ID connected to your main Brawl Stars account. This is crucial for account recovery and switching later if you haven't already. Go to the game settings, usually found by tapping the 3 lines or gear icon in the top right corner, then tap Supercell ID and follow the prompts to create or connect your account. Now, to create a new account, you'll need a separate email address. Brawl Stars associates each account with a unique email. Head back to the settings menu. Tap Supercell ID. Now tap the cog icon, select log out, and confirm your choice. This will bring you back to the Brawl Stars loading screen. When the game restarts, you'll be presented with the option to play without Supercell ID or to log in. Choose to play without Supercell ID. The game will then guide you through the tutorial. Complete the tutorial. Once you're through, head back to settings and tap Supercell ID. Register a new Supercell ID using a different email address than your main account. That's it. You've created a new Brawl Stars account. To switch between accounts, simply go to Supercell ID in the settings, tap the cog icon, log out, and then log back in using the desired email address. Remember, playing responsibly is key. Avoid using multiple accounts to gain an unfair advantage, as this violates Supercell's terms of service. Now go forth and experiment with different strategies, level up new brawlers, and have fun.